If I were to start affiliate marketing from scratch in 2025, without any capital, experience, or followers, literally from zero, what strategy would I follow? How could I earn commissions and build an online business? This video will provide a complete roadmap for getting started. If you have any questions about this video, I'll answer them in upcoming videos. Important note, the strategy I'm sharing is the same one I'll be using myself, so don't miss a second of the video. And if you're excited for this breakdown, make sure to like the video because I'll be revealing everything that helped me, the mistakes I made, and the things that wasted my time and effort so you can avoid them. Most importantly, I'll show you what actually generates commissions. I'll walk you through the plan step by step so you won't have to start from zero. You'll gain all the experience packed into this video. With this method, you can potentially earn $1,000 or more in just 1 month. What is affiliate marketing? Simply put, affiliate marketing means promoting products from other companies. If you generate sales for these products, you earn a commission. For example, if you promote a product worth $50 and someone buys it through your link, you might earn $10 as a commission. Many big companies like Amazon, AliExpress, and ClickBank offer affiliate programs. They provide you with a unique referral link or discount code, and whenever someone purchases through that link or code, you receive your commission instantly. Now let's talk about the best platform to start affiliate marketing in 2025. Surprisingly, it's not Amazon or AliExpress. It's even better. The best platform to use is Temu. You may have already heard about Temu, as it has been making waves globally due to its amazing deals and offers. In just 1 year, Temu achieved what Amazon took 10 years to accomplish. Impressive, right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to leverage Temu's affiliate program to start earning commissions quickly. Stay tuned. I personally won't be looking for another platform because this one offers incredible features, services, and deals. In fact, I'm pretty sure these offers won't last forever. At some point, they'll likely say, "That's it. We're going back to the usual offers, lowering commissions and returning things to normal." Right now, Temu's goal is rapid expansion. It wants to dominate a larger share of the market. The platform is willing to take losses and doesn't care about short-term profits. That's why it's offering amazing deals, saying, "Go ahead, promote, earn high commissions, offer great discounts to your customers, bring us profits and a strong customer base." We're okay with that. But in the future, I honestly expect that they will start reducing these offers, lowering commissions, and eventually becoming like other platforms. A direct example to understand how it works. Once you sign up for the Temu affiliate program, which is free and easy with just your email, you should know that you can have multiple accounts using the same email. For example, I have 2 accounts, one targeting the USA, and when I switch countries, I access my second account which targets Algeria. Each country has different commission rates, earnings, and even unique product offers. In my first account, as you can see, if I share this referral link, I earn 20% commission on orders placed within 30 days of my referral downloading the app. On top of that, I also receive a $10 bonus for every person who downloads the app and places an order within 30 days after downloading. This is an incredibly attractive deal that I haven't seen on any other platform. If you want to promote Temu as a whole, you can simply share your referral link and earn commissions. But if you prefer to market specific products, you can go to the hot items section where there are 2 ways to earn. Promote special offers. Some of these deals let you earn way more than the product price itself. I still don't understand how you can promote a $1 product and earn $10, but this is exactly what's happening on this platform. Or you can simply search for any successful product on Temu, copy its link, paste it into your Temu affiliate program account, and get your unique affiliate link to start promoting. This is why I believe Temu is the best platform to start with in 2025. Take advantage of these offers while they last. The next step is to create professional videos and share them on social media platforms. You can choose any platform you like. I chose TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. If you have a small budget, like $50, you could order around 15 products with a high profit margin from different categories. Once these products arrive, you can make high-quality videos at home. These professional videos will help build your credibility. After checking the performance of your videos, focus on the products that get the most engagement. Create more videos about them. Another way to make professional marketing videos is by using AI tools. And I've got the perfect one for you, RecCloud. RecCloud is a complete AI-powered platform designed for easy and professional video and audio editing. With advanced AI tools, you can create high-quality content without needing complex technical skills. Some key features that make RecCloud great for marketers and content creators include AI speech-to-text, convert audio into accurate written text, AI video translator, easily translate videos into multiple languages, AI subtitle, automatically add professional subtitles to any video, AI voice, turn written text into natural-sounding voices in various languages, AI video generator, create complete videos just from text. How can you use RecCloud to create short marketing videos for Temu products? Once you have the Temu products you want to promote, you can start creating professional marketing videos using RecCloud. The AI video generator feature allows you to enter text, and the platform will automatically create a professional video with animated images and interactive text. This is great for quickly building an audience, but not all your videos need to be promotional. Mix it up with motivational, educational, or informative videos to keep viewers interested.
A huge alien spaceship appears in the night sky of the Earth, flashing mysterious light. People are terrified, and the city falls into chaos. Scientist Alice is in the control room, staring at the complex data and the structure diagram of the alien spaceship on the screen nervously. The major military forces of the Earth are united, and fighters.
If you don't want to record your voice, use the AI voice generator to select a natural voice in any language you want, like English or Arabic. This feature alone can help you create videos. Just upload product images from Temu, combine them, and add a voiceover with RecCloud. It's essential to add subtitles to every video, which we've discussed many times. You can use the AI subtitle generator for automatic subtitles. Instead of juggling multiple AI tools and paying for each, RecCloud brings everything together in one place. They even offer a free trial, and if you like it, you can subscribe. You'll find the link in the description below. It's available as a website and an app. Very handy. To expand your reach, use the AI video translator to translate subtitles into other languages, allowing you to easily target international markets. This feature is usually expensive in other software. If you want to create a quick product summary to grab viewers' attention in under 30 seconds, use the AI Video Audio Summarizer. Just upload marketing videos from YouTube, and RecCloud will pick out the key parts to create a unique video for you. Experiment with different methods and see what works best. After making your videos, let me know in the comments which method you used. Then share them on TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, or other platforms to reach people interested in Temu products. With RecCloud and Temu's affiliate program, you can build a successful online marketing business without needing a big budget or advanced video production skills. Don't forget to use the right hashtags and add product links in your description or bio. If you're excited, plan well, and get started. Sign up for Temu now, because these offers won't last forever. The registration link is in the description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Also, I have a YouTube channel with 250,000 followers that I'd like to sell without an AdSense account. It could be a great opportunity for you.